How to use multiple Roblox games at once. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to use multiple Roblox games at once. Without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Island. On your phone, install the app called Island. Once done, open it. Step 2. Play Roblox. From there, you will see the tab Mainland. Under the Mainland tab, find and open Roblox. Wait for it to load, then open Island again. Tap the Island tab. Under the Island tab, find and open Roblox. You will then be able to open another account on Roblox and play Roblox at the same time. And that's it! That is how you use multiple Roblox games at once. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!